Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. So today we have the company called Detail Cars Platinum. I think this is like a corgi one because I did open previously one of these which was just in acrylic case. It was an old Ford Taunus. This one is also a 1957 Ford Taunus 17M Cabrio. This is a very similar model to one I opened a while ago, which was an Opel. At least it looks like it could be from the front. The back doesn't look quite dissimilar, and this one has no roof. But it has some similarities. So, yeah. So as you can see, 143 collection, Platinum Series, detailed cars. I think it's a corgi something because, like I said, that when I checked on the internet, that's what it said. That doesn't say anywhere here that's like that. So, fabricated in China, made in China, produced by Proudut Par. I have no idea who that is even. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not corgi. So okay, let's crack this one open. On this side, yeah, okay. Did find this in the flea market, so that's why I have it now. So I don't plan to keep this cardboard, so I might as well rip it because it doesn't want to come out. So there we go. Now it did. Spin it around. It comes in acrylic case. As you can see, it's sealed still, so it has not been out here. So we got one screw, and let's also get this sticky tape off. That's one side, and here's the other side. Should come off easily. Yes. Oh, there it goes. So here's the model. Yeah, the front end looks very much similar to the Opel variant that I have. Even actually, the back also does. So yes, this is basically a Ford variant, and it's convertible. Okay, so let's find a screwdriver to open this. I mean, not open, but release it from the base. Okay, for a second there I thought it's stuck to the base, but no, it's not. No, it is not. Okay, here's the model itself. Yeah, the base is pretty basic. Nothing too crazy going on besides the exhaust details. Don't really like this post on the bottom. Sadly, it's not removable, so it's gonna stay there. And it's luckily not low, and it's high enough for the car to still roll. So we have lensed headlights and grille, bumper. It's all separate pieces. The windshield is a separate piece. This is also separate. There's the interior looking okay, I can say. So this is not high end. I'm probably not going to have any high-end 143 scale cars on this channel because I don't feel like paying more than 50 euros per a car that is 143 scale. Where when it comes to 118 scales, that's where most of my 118 scales are above 50. No, I'm lying actually. Most of them are starting from 50 and going up. So now you understand. So for a smaller scale car, I prefer to pay to a certain amount. And same thing goes actually for 164, but it depends on the car. So for the 164, so it's I'm a bit how do you say, I don't know what's the word, flexible when it comes to 164, but when it comes to 143 or 118 scale, I am very picky on the price. So yeah, we also have a mirror right up there. There's the back. We have lensed tail lights. The bumper is a separate piece also. The color is pretty nice. On the video camera, it looks like it's like a very, very light blue, but in real life, it is like this super light turquoise color. I don't know how it's perfectly pronounced, but that's what it is. The tires are rubber, looking all nice, so no issues there. Let's see about roll test. It has a bit of a, you can hear the bumpiness sound, but that's the tires because it's been sitting on the base for a while. As you can see there, yeah, the bottom part it's been screwed to the base a bit hard, so has been taking that form for the tire, but it's fine. Not the worst thing, but it does roll super good. So there you have it, a little, what do you call it? I don't know. Little showcase of this model. If nobody had made it out there, well, at least I have now a video on this model. So hope you liked it. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. Leave a comment. What are your thoughts? And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.